IGBO Cultural Heritage. Culture is the act of beliefs, customs, and practices within a group. It shapes how people think, behave, and interact, influencing others, languages, and social behavior. IGBO cultures is rich and diverse. IGBO culture rooted in southeastern Nigeria. IGBO cultures is rich and diverse. It encompasses vibrant traditions, language, music, dance, and behavior. Family plays a central role in cultures.
It's all right. But remember to finish your lectures quickly and come back. In keeping to our new house rules, listen to me carefully. I don't want you to break any one of them.
The IGBO people have a strong sense of community and communal values in traditional ceremonies, such as traditional marriage, New Yam Festival, Ofala Festival, Age Grade Festival, and so many others. IGBO culture showcase their cultural pride and deep connection to their lifestyle and agriculture. IGBO worldview includes spiritual beliefs with a pantheon of deities and ancestral reverence. Despite modern influences, IGBO culture continues to thrive, fostering a unique identity within Nigeria's diverse cultural landscape. IGBO man can sometime being addressed as trader. Naturally, IGBO man is happy to be identified as traders. A trader is someone who buy and sell goods. IGBO man is always focused on his trading.
I want to invest the sum of 500 million with X brand. As a matter of fact, this is the right time to invest. Smith Enterprise will be growing from 5.5% to 5.8%.
IGBO man's system of trading helps them to have more development, more than some other tribes.
The deadline is on the 25th for the premium stock. This is good news. This is exactly what we've been expecting.
IGBO man sheer idea within themselves. They are lovely people, strong people. Moreover, IGBO man is traveler. They travels all over the word. IGBO man dominate any environment he sees himself. IGBOs are great. For more, subscribe on Golden TV on YouTube.